Welcome to this home at Sunrise Terrace. In the dining area and living space, we've designed a Nordic-style recessed wall shelf in a semicircular design. This is especially good for any homeowner who loves displaying decorations. Back to the kitchen, the clever storage system and solutions make a tiny space feel like an organized and large space. Cleverly designed storage can make small spaces work wonders. Inside out, we've designed sufficient storage for this house. Take a look at this U-shaped kitchen with many clever storage components, especially good for compact kitchen space. We've designed charming characters for each and every room for the homeowner's family members. These rooms interplay natural lights, enhance mood and energize the room space. A way to enhance the home experience is to have both sufficient storage and spacious space for enjoying the tranquility of your home. In the master bedroom, we've designed a minimal L-shaped wardrobe that features a corner wardrobe door for maximizing the usage of corner storage.